Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Bitcoin. It's not going to be that much of an eventful update. I mean, yesterday we practically got one move in the afternoon, and that was it. It was overall it was at least it felt like a little bit more of a bearish day. I mean, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, that's actually been decreasing. So that means that most altcoins, or at least that altcoins did outperform Bitcoin in general. But for, most altcoins I followed actually were quite bearish, especially yesterday in the afternoon, yesterday in the evening at least. So yeah, in the situation right now for Bitcoin, I mean, this is probably going to be a short video because tomorrow we'll talk about the economic events of next week, even though I think at this moment, they do not matter that much anymore. You can really see that other fundamentals are pushing the market up right now instead of those old economic events. Back in the day, they used to make the market move a lot, right? And we also still saw in September and August some big moves because of them. But no, right now, I mean, the nearest fundamental event is the ETF approval. That's in less than a month right now. So get your calendar updated. And yeah, before that, I mean, it seems right now that the market will just kind of move sideways. I will both not say that we're not going to have a spike or a dump. Both are very much possible, but at this moment, I mean, if you look at the price, the EMAs right here are pretty much flat. Yesterday, like I said, we did get a bit of a bearish breakout here below 42,500, which we talked about in the video. If that actually breaks, then it becomes more likely that Bitcoin will settle down a little bit lower, so that perhaps we'll still see a drop down to this previous support level here around 41,000 and 40,500. So that seems quite likely, but in general, I mean, yeah, I mean, I've looked at these numbers yesterday as well, but if you look at the open interest right now, it's down quite a bit. It's down and it's stable, at least since Thursday evening. We had some big spikes up and down during the week. I mean, it was a pretty hectic week, so I wouldn't. I think today we're just going to get a flat consolidation. I don't. Honestly, I don't expect any major movement at all. It's just going to be sideways. Maybe we'll still get some volatility, but if we get some volatility, I would say it's most likely to be bearish. After this bearish breakout we got, and I mean, overall Bitcoin is still very, very bullish, right? There's no question about that. But there's no immediate bullish momentum or no source where we can get immediate bullish momentum from this weekend. Volume, I think, volume right now is around $18 billion. Last week was around $24 billion. So that's still going to decrease rapidly over the course of the next 24 hours. And it does mean that on Sunday and Monday, I expect a little bit more volatility than usual, even though last week is a bit of a weird example because then we did get some movement. But yeah, I mean, next week we also don't have an inflation rate or an interest rate decision. So yeah, I mean, there's enough room and enough potential for volatility. I just don't think it's going to be today. And if it does come today, I think it's more likely to be bearish. And tomorrow, who knows? We'll take a look at the chart again, see what's most likely, see what's going on. But I'll keep you updated on that. And for now, those are my thoughts on Bitcoin. Not too much, but at least you know the current situation, right? So those are my thoughts. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group down in the description or the pinned comment. Oh, that's not how you can find it, but no, if you check the link, if you click those Patreon links or any other of the links, you can check that out. You can see what it is. You can see if you'd like to join or not. That's completely up to you, but just know it's there. All right. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.